Hi, this is Jeff. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Today's video, I'm just showing how to easily remove the Bronco, the final step here to make it fully nude. I've already got the doors off, as you can see behind me, and the forward and the rear roof panels have been taken off the vehicle. That's all very easy to do single-handedly, but I wanted to have a way to get the actual roof panel off the top of the actual roof off the back of the Bronco on my own anytime I want without having to call on friends to help here. So TopLift Pro makes a product just for that, and that's what I'm going to be using here. So this video is just showing how easy it is to take the roof on or put it back on solo, hopefully just in a matter of minutes here as I test this out here. Thanks again for stopping by. Leave any comments in the description below. Thank you. First step is going to be, of course, to just have the tailgate open. You're going to have it fully open and the glass panel up, so the lift can get up underneath the vehicle and access. And then, of course, we're going to go ahead and remove the bolts. I'll do that step next here so we can actually, of course, lift the roof off. So first, I want to go ahead and disconnect the washer fluid. Just a simple push button on that one, and a little place to plug it in. And then unplug the wire harness, and same thing, there's a place to plug it in on the side panel. Next, you unscrew where the roof connects to the seat pillar at the top of the roof after removing the Ford panels. I won't want to try and do this and get the camera mounted up here, but there's one on either side. So get these two bolts out, and that's with the T50 Plus provided. After removing the two bolts at the forward top edge of the seat panel, then inside, there's 4 bolts each side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now with all the bolts undone for the vehicle, just going to go ahead and roll this up underneath the roof assembly here. So I haven't fully jacked up the lift to engage. I just wanted you to see what it looks like in here. So with the unique to the Raptor crossbeam here, you kind of have to get the lift up a little bit to get it over the crossbeam and under the roof panel. Currently right now, I still got a couple inches of space here between the rubber pad and the roof panel. You can see the back rubber lift will just clear inside the rear round down of the roof, so it looks like it's a perfect fit in there. It'll be tight, but it's a perfect fit, so it looks totally stable. And then I'll just go ahead and jack it up the rest of the way to take the roof off the vehicle. So I'm just making sure I've got it aligned in here. That's like really easy. So you can see it comes back with the rear leaning down a little bit, but it totally lifts the pins, which actually I like, because when you go to align it and slowly lower, you'll be able to get one set of pins here aligned. So with it lifted up, you can see it's totally clear of the vehicle here. I could drive forward if I wanted to, but of course I'll roll the rack back. But what I do like about the angle is when I lower it down, I'm not having to simultaneously get all 4 alignment pins, 1, 2, and then 3, 4 on the other side. As I lower it down, I can see the aft alignment pin is going to be the first one. You can kind of engage gently here. Make sure you get this lined up and lock it into place. But that was really easy. Easily could do this yourself in just a matter of minutes, aside from the time to take off the bolts. And just roll it back up. That is really, really easy to do. Just very easy to do. You can see where it grabs feels totally sturdy. I mean, this rack, which you build yourself, is really solid. I folded the glass down to get it out of the way, but you can see it doesn't shake around as I move the glass up or down on it. So it just solidly sits on there, easy to move out of the way. So I've enjoyed a couple days with the roof off here, and tomorrow forecast is for rain. So this will be the first chance, I've never practiced it before, to see how long it takes using the TopLift Pro to put the roof back on top of my Bronco. So I just backed it in, and you can see it's pretty easy to line up here with your cameras, just to get it in close here. I've got room over in the garage, so I haven't backed in my Bronco all the way here. I'll go ahead and put the roof on here and see how long it takes. Pretty easy to just visually see that I'm lining up the pins here. And just release the brake and keep weight against this so it doesn't drop down. So this hook is already in. The other one's close. Just a little bit of a wiggle here. Really easy. I could have been quicker than that with it, honestly, but being the first time, I didn't want to mess around or accidentally drop it in there.